In the ever-evolving world of smartphones, few innovations have generated as much anticipation as the arrival of Apple's first foldable device. For years, tech enthusiasts and industry watchers have speculated about when and how Apple would enter the foldable arena. Now, as credible leaks and expert analyses align, it's clear that the company is preparing to make a statement with the forthcoming iPhone Fold. This device is not just another iteration of the iPhone. It represents a bold leap into the future of mobile design, promising to address many of the shortcomings that have plagued foldable phones since their inception. What truly sets the iPhone Fold apart is Apple's reported solution to the most persistent flaw in foldable displays: the visible crease. Anyone familiar with the current landscape of foldable smartphones, especially Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series, knows that the crease where the device folds is both a visual distraction and a tactile imperfection. Despite Samsung's leadership in this segment, even its latest flagship, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, exhibits this issue. Apple, however, is poised to redefine expectations by introducing a display that appears seamless, even after repeated folding. At the heart of this breakthrough is a collaboration between Apple and Samsung Display, the latter being a long-standing leader in advanced screen technology. According to renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo and corroborated by recent industry leaks, Apple is sourcing specialized foldable panels from Samsung, but that's only the beginning. The true innovation lies in the engineering beneath the glass, a custom-designed metal plate that sits just below the surface of the display. This plate is meticulously crafted to distribute the mechanical stress of folding evenly across the screen, effectively preventing the formation of a crease. The result is a foldable experience that feels as smooth and luxurious as a traditional iPhone, raising the bar for what users should expect from this category. This attention to detail and refusal to compromise on quality are hallmarks of Apple's design philosophy. While Samsung deserves credit for pioneering the foldable market, Apple's entry signals a new phase, one in which every element, from the hinge mechanism to the display substrate, is scrutinized and optimized. The iPhone Fold is rumored to feature a book-style design, similar in concept to the Galaxy Z Fold, but with several key enhancements. Reports suggest a generous 7.8-inch inner display for immersive content consumption and multitasking, alongside a practical 5.5-inch outer screen for everyday use. Despite housing this advanced technology, the device's unfolded thickness is expected to be remarkably slim, between 4.5 and 4.8 millimeters, making it thinner than even the current iPhone 16 Pro Max. Affordability is another area where Apple may surprise consumers. With a projected price range between $1,800 and $2,000, the iPhone Fold is expected to undercut Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7, which retails at around $2,000. This pricing strategy could make Apple's offering especially attractive, considering its reputation for premium quality and the added value of a crease-free experience. For consumers on the fence about foldables, this could be the incentive needed to finally make the leap. Of course, Apple is not working alone. Behind the scenes, companies like Fine Mtech, a South Korean supplier, are providing critical components for the new device. Their expertise in materials and precision engineering is crucial for achieving the durability and seamlessness that Apple demands. The partnership between these industry leaders ensures that every aspect of the iPhone Fold, from its hinge mechanism to its display panel, is built to last and perform at the highest level. The implications of Apple's entry into the foldable market extend far beyond a single product launch. The company's move is expected to set new industry standards, compelling competitors to innovate and refine their own designs. If Apple's crease-free technology delivers as promised, it could force a paradigm shift where users come to expect not just foldability, but true seamlessness and durability in their devices. This, in turn, could accelerate the adoption of foldables, transforming them from niche curiosities into mainstream must-haves. But what does this mean for the everyday user? Imagine a device that combines the portability of a smartphone with the utility of a tablet, all without the nagging imperfections that currently define the category. The iPhone Fold could redefine productivity, entertainment, and communication, offering a screen large enough for immersive gaming, split-screen multitasking, or cinematic video viewing, all within a device that slips neatly into your pocket. Apple's ecosystem, known for its tight integration and smooth user experience, could take full advantage of the foldable form factor, introducing new features and workflows that leverage the unique capabilities of a seamless, flexible display. As with all rumors and leaks, it's important to approach these details with a degree of caution. Apple is famously secretive about its product development, and the final design may differ from what has been reported. Nonetheless, the convergence of credible sources, supply chain activity, and industry chatter points to a launch window in the latter half of 2020s. 6. This gives Apple ample time to refine its technology, ensure reliability, and build excitement among its global fanbase. In the coming months, expect to see more leaks, expert commentary, and speculative renders as anticipation builds for the iPhone Fold. Analysts will scrutinize every supply chain move, and tech enthusiasts will debate the potential impact on the smartphone market. If history is any guide, Apple's approach will be methodical and uncompromising, prioritizing user experience and long-term durability over being first to market. For now, the prospect of a crease-free, ultra-thin, and impeccably engineered foldable iPhone is enough to set the industry abuzz. Apple's entry promises not just to challenge the status quo, but to redefine what's possible in mobile technology. As the race for the perfect foldable heats up, one thing is certain. The next chapter in smartphone innovation is about to unfold, and Apple is determined to lead the way. Stay tuned for more updates as we track every development in what may become one of the most significant product launches of the decade.